Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Mike, the FPV Evil Monkey, guys, coming at you with another video. And today, guys, I am reviewing a new frame that was sent to me courtesy of Banggood. So this is the Dragon HX5 frame. This is a 220 millimeter frame. And obviously you can tell this is definitely inspired by either the Armaton chameleon or like a rooster type of frame. So this is again a 220 millimeter. The arms are 4 millimeters thick and the rest of the plates are all 2 millimeters thick. It does come with this anodized aluminum on the back and on the sides as well, so you can see that. I do like the color. I like this red color. That is pretty cool. I'm not too particularly hip on this aluminum on the back here. I prefer to have standoffs and then probably print like a 3D printed for your SMA connector and for your receiver antennas as well. So, but you can definitely use this to put your SMA in there if you want to. You know, it's up to you, however you want to do that. So it is pretty nice. It is a true X design, or at least that's what they say. It's an X design. So it wasn't too horribly bad to put together. Everything was included in the kit. And this can hold either, I believe, a full-size camera, or it can also hold a micro camera, but you're probably going to have to use like some 3D printed parts to mount the micro camera if you wanted to use one of those. But all in all, it's not too bad for a little, a budget frame. I believe this runs about $32 on the Banggood website. And obviously right here, you can put a action camera if you wanted to, or you could do like a GoPro session like this, and you can mount that up on the top there too. Or you could probably even do like maybe like a 3D print here or something, or just use whatever. It'll all work. So definitely some options there. This is a good inexpensive frame for a budget build. Not too bad if you're maybe getting into the hobby, just learning how to build, or maybe your first build. I think it would be not too bad. Here's what it looks like from the bottom. So you can tell there's a bottom plate, and then the arms, they connect under here. And then when we flip it here, there is a top plate you can see right there. And then your screws go under there, so which is fairly nice. And then those are press-ins. Now these aren't exactly the greatest press-ins. They kind of just sit there. They didn't actually press into the frame, so I don't know if they drilled the holes out just a little bit too big. But they do fit just fine, and they don't wiggle or anything like that. And you can see there's not much bend or anything like that to the carbon, which is very nice. And so all in all, it's a good little budget frame. It's not too bad. Like I said, it runs for about $32 on the Banggood website, so I will leave a link down, guys, below for the description if you want to check that out. There will also be a coupon code that they gave me for Banggood for, I believe it's 8% off the RC group, so if you're looking at maybe a different frame or something else. This is going to be a giveaway frame, so one of you guys is going to be the lucky winner of this frame. So how this is going to work is you've got to be 18 years or older, you do have to be a US resident, and you have to be a subscriber of my channel. So in order to win this particular frame, it's going to be really, really easy. I need you to go down in the comments below and make sure to use hashtag Dragon HX5. So again, that's hashtag Dragon HX5. We'll leave the contest up, or the giveaway open, for a week, and then I'll pick a random winner next week. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope one of you guys wins this awesome little budget frame. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day.